Alright, let's go through what I got from Dollar Tree. These binders are new products for the back to school season. I already used this one for the piano lesson. And these two are gonna be memory books for my girls for this coming school year 2018 to 19. I always grab a white one just in case I need to decorate it later. These reusable dry erase pockets are back. Right now in the middle of the summer, I have my 5-year-old daughter practice tracing alphabet letters and the numbers using these two pockets. Also, for my 5-year-old, I grabbed these workbooks for her to review what she learned from pre-K and get ready for kindergarten. So those three are colors and shapes, numbers, and the alphabet. And this workbook is for myself. It is by the brand Crayola. It goes through basic strokes, upper lower cases, and some free page for you to practice. This is my first trial on a scrapbooking page. Speaking of scrapbooking, I grabbed those stickers. We live in Tucson, Arizona for quite a long time, so I have a thing for cactus. These papers are not as good as the ones you find in Michael's, but they're quite pretty, and since they're thin, I can probably use them for origami as well. These tattoos, one is the Disney princess, one is Paw Patrol. Those are the motivation for my girls to take a bath. Every time when they get out of the bath, they can pick out a tattoo and put it on their arm. And the bath bomb does the same thing, makes bath time a little bit more fun. These are not back to school related, but I always grab them when they are in stock. This grapefruit flavor is my favorite. I decided to give the lime flavor a try this time. If you're into 80s candy, they are back. Ring pops, candy bracelet, fun dips. You can find a lot of your childhood candy in Dollar Tree. And that's it. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you next time. Bye.